Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to sign out of Indeed jobs. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to sign out of Indeed jobs. Maybe because you have created another account, so you want to sign out of your current account so that you could log in with your new account. Or maybe you're having some issues in your app or account, so you just want to sign out and sign in again so that it could be fixed. Or maybe you don't need your account any longer, or maybe you're taking a break, so you just want to log out or sign out. Or there could be any other reason for you to sign out of your Indeed jobs account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can sign out of your Indeed jobs account. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed app, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it, and you also log in with your account, because if you're not logged in, then you couldn't sign out of your account. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Indeed app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen, some options at the bottom, and some other options as well. So from all these options, if you want to sign out because you're facing some issue, or there could be any other personal option for you, so you have to first click on these three lines. Once you click here, you will see different option. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, we have this last option, which is sign out. Once you tap on this option, you will get sign out of your account like this. If you again want to sign in, then there's an option at the top that you could choose and get back to your account. If you're worrying that what will happen to the data or information or anything related to account that was in your account, that it will be lost or not, so you don't have to worry. All the information of yours and data will be kept safe, and once you log in again or sign in again, you will get back everything which was included in your account, so you don't have to worry regarding it. Also, if you use the same email address and password that you used when you were creating your account on another device, then you can also get sign in on your Indeed Jobs account with any other device of your choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can sign out of Indeed Jobs account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.